there's the church right there. That's when everybody comes to see in Chanthaburi. And it's kind of the heart of the community, and it's right next to this waterfront. So there's a beautiful waterfront right here with the community. So I did 2 videos where I just walked along this thing and just checked out all these shop houses and restaurants and galleries. This is the other side as well. So we are gonna go down to that one in the video, and I'm just gonna walk down here before I do the intro. I'll do a little intro in a minute. But that's all the shop houses, and it's kind of interesting too because you will see Catholic references in this city. Originally from French and Vietnam influences. So pretty cool. Okay, so let's do the intro right after I show you this little thing on the house. Right there. It's kind of interesting right there, right? Jesus and Mary. Okay, so we're gonna do this one to that church. Chanthaburi, Thailand. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. So that's actually the, I think it's called the Immaculate Conception, and there's a Mary statue right there, so we're going to see that. And actually I was looking at it last night. It was really impressive. I should have filmed it last night because it had such a different image. It's all kind of lit up a little bit in the most beautiful way. This is the waterfront community, so that's the community that we did in 2 separate videos. It's kind of cool though. You can also see like some of the housing, boats. But this focus is going to be all on this church right here. Yeah, actually last night it was funny because at nighttime it looked really serene and beautiful. And now of course it looks quite different because of like the daytime, like the nighttime it was really well lit. Should have filmed that, dang. Anyways, we're gonna film it right now. I think they're just doing construction, so you hear music. Okay, so I'm gonna get him up closer to the church, so we'll turn the camera off for a moment. Yeah, this is what I felt like last night. So last night this was sorry, try not to talk too loud, but these houses are so beautiful right in here, like really peaceful. So this community is all centered around this whole area, and that's the community waterfront right there. I don't want to yell, but I have to make it louder than the... Okay, so anyways, here's the church right here. I'm gonna not speak just so that it's more serene and quiet and respectful to the... I'll try to whisper a little bit. That looks really cool. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. Wow. Yeah, when I saw it at nighttime, see how they have all these lights right here? So this was lit up at nighttime. And there's also a marketplace over here. I guess I should have showed it last night. It still looks pretty cool today too. I guess a lot of people would come in and take pictures, so. So you're in a Cafe Amazon, which is kind of like the Starbucks of Thailand. Hello. I wonder if that's part of the Vietnamese community. That's interesting. The people here are a lot louder than Thai people in other places. I don't know if it's because of the Vietnamese influences, but I kind of picked up a lot more. Other parts of Thailand, I don't hear the. It's not so loud. Yeah, this church was basically from the Vietnamese community that fled Vietnam when the French lost their influences in Vietnam. So the Vietnamese gained their independence, and then as a consequence, I heard that a lot of Catholics were persecuted in Vietnam because they were kind of they're Vietnamese, but they're kind of like symbol of the French influences, I guess. I don't know exactly all the emotional attachment involved, but nonetheless, I heard that they were a target, and a lot of them left Vietnam and they came here, among other places, and here they started a church. So this is basically from the Vietnamese influence, and then I guess maybe Catholicism became a little bit more prominent. Yeah, last night at the nighttime it was like really interesting. We're gonna walk, there's some nice stuff over that way. I'm just gonna walk over here, and then I might turn the camera off briefly. But I just want to see what's down. I think there's a market right here, and this street looks pretty cool. Kind of looks like something I would see in Japan, or Taiwan, but more Japan. Kind of feels like it's like such a different place. It doesn't quite feel like typical Thailand at all. Got a marketplace in here. Also interesting, the streets are kind of narrow. And there we go, Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception of Chanthaburi. Yeah, last night there was nobody around. It was like so peaceful, and the things are kind of illuminated. There's a Thai guy over here doing a bunch of like Catholic sculpture kind of stuff. He was so gentle, soft spoken. So interesting, right? Kind of feels so funny for me. I generally associate with most people with Buddhism for Thailand, and then secondary is Islam in the South Thailand. So to see like a lot of Thai people who are Catholic, or arguably they could be Vietnamese Thai, quite interesting. So there's some Buddhism over there. Oh no, that's some royal, but it feels more. There's a Joseph statue right there. We better focus on our building right here as well. Yeah, I'm seeing like a Catholic there's a crucifix, the Jesus is born kind of reference, and then this one looks like it's either Jesus or Joseph. Oh, it's a saint. Saint Etoine. It's French. French saint. That's so interesting. 1802. So maybe this particular French. It's so funny when there's a time when, you know, French people were extremely into proselytizing everyone. It's hard to imagine it at this time. And I'm gonna basically go over towards that grotto over there. In case you're curious, I've had 3 Chanthaburi videos, so if you want to see those, oh, there's a statue in here. I wasn't planning to go in here, but there's a grotto over there that I wanted to see. There's a lot of Catholic references in this town. So it looks like this is a school, but I can see, looks like a Catholic school. I can't read the Thai to know for sure, but it looked like there was a Catholic statue. So they got mass here in Thailand, off and on. I noticed a lot of people, they wear masks when they're riding a bike, but I don't know if it's because of COVID or because of the exhaust fumes. We got this grotto right here. For prayer, I guess they probably have masses here too sometimes. And we have like an artisan in here. Very interesting. It says please wear a mask. I don't know if that's from before. It's 2023, so COVID is, I guess, still a concern for some people. Very, very interesting. Tourist shop here. Yeah, there's often Catholic businesses where they make money out of all the different products. Pretty cool. It's kind of nice and peaceful and quiet now. All right. Okay, here we go. This is all about it. So 300 years ago, Thais, Chinese, Vietnamese. Vietnamese were Catholics. Vietnamese immigrated with the French priests since this particular region, which I guess is 300 years ago. Okay, it's longer ago than I thought. So, okay. That's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. and I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.
Toma cuidado la voz